10 countries with the most operational metro systems. Number 10, Iran, 6 operating metro systems. Number 9, France, 6 operating metro systems. Number 8, Russia, 7 operating metro systems. Number 7, Italy, 7 operating metro systems. Number 6, Brazil, 8 operating metro systems. Number 5, South Korea, 13 operating metro systems. Number 4, Japan, 15 operating metro systems. Number 3, USA, 16 operating metro systems. Number 2, India, 16 operating metro systems. Number 1, China, 47 operating metro systems.